So hello everyone. Today I am back with another video regarding Excel tutorials. So as in my previous video, I have shown you some spare part management software. So this was all the spare part management software I made for my company. So I basically told you about these features. So today I will tell you something about this coding. Okay, so in this video I will not cover the all of the coding but just one part of its code, like out of stock list, generation of the out of stock list. Okay, so you can see from this sheet we have one spare part or any inventory, anything you have here in your spare part in your shop, in your anything. So if you want to generate whether it is zero or how many parts are zero or how many parts are have less quantity, like 1 2 3 4, any quantity, or sometimes you want to see which part is less than 2 quantity, which parts are in the stock which are less than 3 4 or greater than 3 4 or 0, anything means you can generate with through the software. So basically today I will tell you the code how to make this one. So first of all you have this list. Okay, then I made another sheet which I named it out of stock sheet. And here you see this heading is same, and like same heading, because this shouldn't be changed, because if you change then you will not understand what is this, what this first column shows, second column, third column shows. Okay, so this is like when we are heading. Okay, so now here we will have a out of stock sheet. So materials which are out of stock, or any criteria you want to put there, you can. So basically this was a software. So here you can see there was filter criteria. So filter criteria means you can select any criteria. I mean, if you want to see which spare part, which parts are more than 0, so you basically write greater than 0, you write greater than 1, like this. Or which part is only have 0 quantity, which are not available out of stock. So basically put here 0, and then you generate out of stock list. Then you can also print the list without going to that sheet, and directly you can close your sheet, close your software. So this is basically our the all the result will be generated here in this sheet. Okay, so what I will now I will show you first how it works. So first of all, basically I write here for example, now you can see maybe there isn't any spare part which is 0. So I basically make by myself this one 0, and this one 0. So I basically also use conditional formatting. If some part is less than 0, so it will automatically highlight with red color. So now what I will do, I just click here, uh, here, and I write I want to see which parts are 0. So put there 0 and generate. Then if you can go here, you can see, so there's one list out of stock list generated. Okay, so now you said no, I want to see so which parts are around 2, have which spare part is of 2 quantity. So you can again go and check all of 2 quantities spare part are there. And again, if you want to see the part which are less than 3 quantity, so you can also generate. So you see quantity which are less than 3, it's the list is generated. So I hope you got the idea what I did there. So now it's time to make write some code for this one. So basically I have already written this code, so I am not writing it, I just show you the exactly how it works. So basically this one. So this is code for we are basically for this out of stock sheet. So you can see first of all this is function, you can say. So from this one you see this is EUPSP is like a name of this form, like window which is opening. When I open this one means this window name, this window, the name is ebupsp. Okay, so another end you can go there here, and this one is combo filter. It's a drop down menu. Here you can see this one. This drop down menu name is combo filter. Okay, so what I show you here, this one. Okay, so you can see here, this one is combo filter. It's a drop down menu and its value. So this variable basically take the value which is in combo filter. Okay, so this whatever you write in your search list, 0 greater than 1, anything, it will be stored in filter value. Okay, so basically what here you can see from this one sheets. So now what I did, basically first the sheet spare part, which is the main sheet, this one. Okay, so it's range from A3 to E1000. So it's range A3 is from this one and up to E1000. So I have a few spare part, only 100, 128. So maybe more than 1000, you have 1000, more than 2 3000, anything you will change here. So I'm copying this sheet, this values from A3 to E1000. I copied all data, and destination is sheets out of stock. In this sheet it will the paste this from A3. So this all data will be pasted from A3 range. So you see from here, from A3. So now because it's already used filter, so you can see it's from A3. From 3 it will paste here. Okay, the first task is done. First task is was to just first one copy that spare part sheet and paste into out of stock sheet. Then it's time to apply filter on this sheet. Okay, so for this we basically declare ws as a name of worksheet. You see this workbook worksheet out of stock. Then this ws is range from this one to this one, A2 to C171. Okay, so from A2 to C71, because I just only apply in this filter, no need to put filter on this sheets, this column, sorry. So mostly the main filter I basically inserted on this quantity, because I'm sorting filtering based on this quantity, not on this and this. So all which I need is only this column for my filter. Okay, so auto filter is like three column. Which column I want to apply filter is like column 3. So this range will be filter value, you categorize filter value. So whatever you write in the combo box, whatever you write, it will be stored in this variable, and this will be criteria for filter. So greater than, less than, equals to, or equals to like 2. You want to check the values which are only 2, so this 2 will be in criteria. So it will look for 2, and 2 it will look in the column 3, so it will leave other columns. Okay, so this will basically, and then this will generate your required out of stock sheet. Okay, so you can make it by your own for your spare parts, for your anything, and also you can apply multiple selection criteria. So this will I will show you in other video, so how to apply multiple criteria, like uh, you are also means you apply filter in this quantity as well as in item description. So this you can also do. So this will I will tell you in the next video. I hope you got it, and if you have any confusion, have anything to ask, you can leave a comment, you can box me. So this was all for today. I hope you got it. See you in the next video.